Hi, this is Bronwyn, and we are going to multiply monomial and two binomials today. We've done it before with algebra tiles, so if you want to do it visually and understand what's really going on, check out that video. But this is how we would do it algebraically with just the numbers without doing the visual part as well. So in order to do that, we need to think about multiplying this, our 4, with our first binomial, and then we multiply our result of that by our second binomial. You could also do your binomials together and then multiply the 4 in. Either way, whatever feels like the easiest. So to do our 4 times 2x equals 8x, and then 4 times 1 equals 4. So that is our first step. This binomial we haven't multiplied yet, so it is staying the same. Nothing, we just rewrite it. Then our second step, now we have two binomials, and just like before, we're going to multiply each term from this binomial by each term of this binomial. So I'm just going to give myself So to do that, we are going to do 8 times x, 8x times x gives us 8x squared. And then we're going to do 8x times 3 is 24x. You can choose to multiply these in a different order. It still will get you the same result. Then we're going to do 4 times x, 4x, and 4 times 3, which is 12. So then our final answer, because we need to combine like terms, we don't have any other x squared terms, so this is 8x squared. positive 24x plus 4x is going to be positive 28x plus 12. We don't have any other like terms for 12. So that is our answer. Negative 5 times x minus 12 times x plus 2. So the same thing, we could choose to either multiply our two binomials together and then multiply our negative 5, or we can multiply our negative 5 times our first binomial and then multiply the results times our second binomial. This time I'm going to multiply our two binomials together. So to do that, I still have my negative 5 out in front. I'm still multiplying that, but I haven't done anything with it yet. So I'm going to keep that out and open a bracket, and then I'm going to multiply this together. So I have x times x, which is x squared, x times positive 2, which is positive 2x, and then I have negative 12 times x, gives me negative 12x, and negative 12 times 2, which gives me negative 24. Now at this step, I could multiply this all in, but I'm going to simplify first because then I have less multiplication to do. So I still haven't multiplied this negative 5 in, so it is still out in front, reminding me to multiply it. There's no like terms for x squared, so I just have x squared Positive 2x, take away 12x. I think about that like a thermometer, and I know that I'm at 2 degrees and I'm going down 12 degrees, so I'm going to get colder. So 2 take away 12, I know is negative 10x. And then negative 24. There's no like terms with just the number. All right, now I need to do my negative 5 times all of my terms, and I'm going to do that by each step. So negative 5 times x squared is negative 5x plus, negative 5 times negative 10x. Negative times a negative gives me positive, so plus 50x. Negative, what's that one? Negative 5 times negative 24. Negative times a negative gives me positive. 5 times 24. It's not one that I have memorized, but I know that 5 times 20 is going to be 100. And I know that 5 times 4 is going to be 20, so that's going to give me 120. And there we go. We've multiplied all three together to get 3 terms.